choice of gas, hybrid, plug-in hybrid, or electric powertrains. There's a family sedan feature style. Choose our Fusion Hybrid or plug-in hybrid. Soon we'll be electrifying our F-150 truck lineup with the addition of a hybrid and full battery electric powertrain. This past summer we proved its capability. Take a look.
We're going to be towing 10 double-decker crate trucks weighing over 1 million pounds. No other truck has ever done it. This F-150 statement is all electric. With 42 trucks now, we're at 1.2 category tons. We're almost at the finish line. You can see it.
What an incredible display of electrified power. The Ford Escape Hybrid is back in 2020 with a range of 936 kilometers. And today, you're going to learn how we are electrifying our SUV range. Now please welcome the all-new 2020 Escape. With the choice of gas, hybrid, or plug-in hybrid powertrains, and our suite of driver assist technology called Autopilot 360 to help boost confidence behind the wheel. Trying to change lanes on a busy freeway, Autopilot's 360 blind spot information system uses radar to help detect vehicles in your blind spot and then warn you with an indicator light in the side view mirror. Cross traffic alert uses the same radar to help detect vehicles approaching from the sides that you can't see when you're backing out of a parking space or driveway. Trapped in stop-and-go traffic. Adaptive cruise control helps you maintain a safe distance in traffic. Smooth cruises at the speed and following distance that you select. The lane keeping system can detect when you cross lane markers and notify you through steering wheel vibration or even apply steering torque to help guide you back. And then there's automatic emergency braking that can apply the brakes to reduce the risk of collisions with slow or stopped vehicles and even pedestrians. Every 2020 Ford Escape offers Autopilot 360, and we're rolling out these technologies across the Ford lineup. But now for something really special. For the first time in 55 years, we are adding a new pony to the Mustang stable. Take a look. Will upgrade the Mach-E over time with features like autonomous driving, additional driving modes, and even performance boosts. And with the addition of next generation sync, the entire user experience has been reimagined with you, the driver, in mind. Take a look. The system can even help you find the nearest charging station, and with access to the growing Ford Pass charging network of over 12,500 charging stations across North America, there will always be one close by. Ready to go electric? Production will be limited, but you can request to reserve your Mach-E now. Speak with one of our product specialists in the Mach-E area after the show for more information. You will then be able to design your vehicle at your local EV certified dealer. A deposit may be required. At Ford, we're not just building innovative vehicles like the Mach-E. We're also working to create smart cities, where vehicles and infrastructure are constantly connected, and our seamless journeys combine public and private transportation, riding and walking, oh, maybe even a fun trip on a spin electric scooter from Ford. Roads designed only for motor vehicles will become living streets that connect and energize the neighborhoods they serve. It's our vision for the future. We're already working to make it a reality today. But we'll always keep building cars for drivers who want an extra dose of adrenaline. Meet the Mach-E GT. Mach-E GT is being engineered to deliver the kind of incredible responsive handling that you expect from a pony. With a targeted 0 to 100 kilometer performance in under 3.5 seconds. Thank you all for joining us at Ford, where we are creating tomorrow together, starting with the smart vehicles we're building today. And there's so much here to see at the Ford display. I recommend you take a picture with the room with a friendly Ford there. Try the climbing wall. There's also a chat block on the Ford skating. Simulator, and we've obviously seen the giant Mustang and giant Chevy Cobra. So please have fun today at the Canadian International Autoshow. Signing